My set today is mostly original music, so I hope you like it. Strangers taking over my soul. Why do they have control? All this time I thought stars fell to grant us what we want. This time I won't fall far. I promise I would just stay within my heart. Maybe you will shine above in the skies, and I'll be falling to give us life. I'll be falling to give us life. Every time I hurt now, I think of all the things gone wrong. No pain seems to pass through my bones. My skin's freezing, cracking in the cold. Can't you see the tears coming in slow? Don't you see the shadows holding me close? Ooh, darling, no. Please don't think this through. Ooh, darling, no. Please don't think this through. I don't wanna think this true, 'cause I'll be falling to make us true. I'll be falling to make us true. I'll be falling to make us true. Thank you. So this is again an original song. It's called Cover Me Up. So the background of this song is basically that point that comes in everybody's life where they are in need of help and they don't find it in anyone. So the song is basically that feeling when you're crying for help, but nobody's there. So sad and emotional. I didn't need you, I wanted you 'cause I loved you more than anything. But it scared you to feel something that you standing on the edge. I'm waiting for this storm to pass. Can you cover me up now? 'Cause I need you more than I ever did before. Sleepless nights, torturous dreams had me giving up on life. I can't feel anything anymore, 'cause you're not by my side. Can you cover me up? Can you cover me up one last time? Can you cover me up? Can you cover me up till I am fine? Well, I wanted to give you everything that you wanted. Didn't cross my mind that you were dreaming about something else. Now I'm standing on the edge. I'm waiting for this storm to pass. Can you cover me up now? 'Cause I need you more than I ever did before. Sleepless nights, torturous dreams had me giving up on life. I can't feel anything anymore, 'cause you're not by my side. Can you cover me up? Can you cover me up one last time? Can you cover me up? Can you cover me up till I am fine? Hold on, 'cause I want you. Help me breathe again, breathe again. Hold on, 'cause I want you. Help me breathe again, breathe again. Can you cover me up? Can you cover me up one last time? Can you cover me up? Can you cover me up till I am fine? Can you cover me up? Can you cover me up? 'Cause I need time. Thank you. Thank you. So this is the last song and the only cover I'm doing. It's Blower's Daughter by Damien Rice, and if you like it. Okay, sorry. He has to set it up first. So it is just like you said it would be. Life goes easy on me. And so it is, so it is, the shortest story. No love, no glory, no hero in our sky. I can't take my eyes off of you. 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 So it is, just like you said it would be. We'll both forget the breeze most of the time. And so it is, colder water, the blower's daughter, the pupil in denial. I can't take my eyes off of you. 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 Did I say that I love you? Did I say that I want to leave it all behind? Well, I can't take my mind off of you. 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 I can't take my mind. Till I find somebody new. Thank you everyone for having me.